Hey guys, and thank you for joining me and happy new year to all of you. This is my first video of 2019 and I wanted this year to start with a clothing haul. So I have a Shein haul for you. I never bought anything from Shein. I was very skeptical about the quality of the products, but this time I was like, no, let me just give it a try. I bought 3 clothing items which I'm gonna show you. So if you don't know what are the stuff I bought, then please keep on watching. Okay, the first clothing item is this one. This is the red dress, which has the ruffle on the shoulder. So this is how the dress look like. Obviously it has a full sleeve and the length of the dress is up to knee, like above knees where it stops, and the quality of the material is good. It's not see-through whatever. It has a zip on the back for the easy fitting, and it has a stretchable material so that when you wear it, it's gonna hug your figure. The quality I like, and this is in the size M. There are 2 items which is on the size medium and 1 is in the large. This is in the size medium, and this ruffle detailing just an add-in extra spice to the dress. I would say it looks so good when I'm gonna show you how it looks on me. Okay, the second one is this top. This is the cutout, square cutout top, and this is how it looks like. It looks very good. There were so many colors in this dress, the yellow, red, I think white was also there, white, black. There were so many, 7 to 8 colors I think was available in this one, and in that also I think there was some color available, but in this one 7 to 8 colors. But I just chose a navy blue because I don't have any top which is like a navy, dark navy blue, and I like how cutlets, like these cutouts goes from full sleeve to your what is this called, the neck area, below the neck area, and all the way to the other sleeve. It looks very good when you wear it. And the quality is, obviously the material is stretchy, material is thick, and this is in the size medium, and I'm going to show you how it looks on me. Now the next and the last clothing item is a 2-piece dress. This is a crop top. I think you might have seen these kind of dresses online. So this is a crop top. This is a 2-piece. This is a full sleeve top. The material itself is good, and then skirt is there. This one is in the size L, and this is a little loose on me, especially the top was a little loose on the side, and even the bottom was loose on the waist areas, but it looked so good. Obviously the material is stretchy, so it's gonna hug your figure. It was looking so good. Price and everything of all the outfit will be down below in the bottom bar. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the like button if you find this video helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.